Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that.
Hey guys, I'm currently about to head out of my house. I have an appointment today with Tango of Moms That Brunch. I'm not sure how many we are meeting up today, but we are going for a massage session somewhere. See. At this point, I am massaging my body every other week, okay? And I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad at it, guys. I'm not mad at it. My body needs it every week, every day, if possible. Like, this baby girl life is not going to live itself, okay? It's not my fault that spas always want us to come and be doing massage for free, or I'm working with spas, or somebody's inviting me to a spa. It's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. And as if they know that Alma needs it, okay? So anyway, guys, let's go. I don't want to be late. I'm meant to be meeting there for 3 p.m. and I don't want to be late. Let's go. Is baby girl life ain't gonna live itself? You gotta live baby girl life. Sing it. I just love that song now, but it sounded sweet in my ear.
Whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes?
Waka Waka, the only Waka Waka of Abuja, the only IG of Abuja.
Yeah. Supposed to go for the event. I'm not looking forward to you. I'm like, and I'm like, why didn't you invite us?
No, it's just for me alone. Like, they don't have police to pay for everybody.
It's their food now. Let them just give us food.
Not that one upstairs.
Not that one upstairs. The one downstairs. The one downstairs. Downstairs, yeah.
I ain't going to
Waka Waka, Waka Waka. IG. Tango zone is let's go. Let me too, I'm hungry as I day here. We move. We're gonna eat. We're gonna have all girls out with Waka Waka.
Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things.
Guys, today I am at Papi's Mistro and Okonkwo. It's a 2-in-1 restaurant. Okonkwo, the native side, and Papi's Mistro, the what is it called now, the more continental side, right? So I'm here with Tango. And I'm here with Princess Coco.
Hey, my darling.
Coco
in the building.
In the
flesh.
And Tango of Moms That Brunch.
Oh yeah.
We're having a
We're
good
about
time.
to enjoy
the
movement.
Yes, so. Lights just on your face.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do.
So we're chasing, what are we chasing to?
Good life.
The good life.
More money.
Good
health.
Too much enjoyment. What are you guys drinking? We have to cheers. Cheers.
Just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. won't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is the day after Mia Rose's birthday. Thank you to everybody that wished Mia a happy birthday. We got so many messages. In fact, I feel like it was my birthday, to be honest, because my phone was buzzing from the moment I uploaded her pictures on Instagram. A lot of people reached out, you know, wishing her well. People were reposting her pictures on their stories. Like, I legit felt like it was my birthday, to be honest. So thank you for all the love you showed my little girl. I appreciate every single one of you. Okay, see guys, Hamatan is affecting my voice, but I'm here drinking ice water because the weather is hot. You see, I can't help it. Anyway guys, thank you so much to every single person that showed me a love. My phone was buzzing, guys. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, crazy. Be sure that Mia appreciates it. She had a good day with her friends in school. The rest of the day was pretty chill after eating. You know, me for one, I even had a long nap after eating. So it was a pretty chill day aside the school party, but I'm just happy that we're able to mark it for her. I even had like 2 people send her money for her birthday, which was really thoughtful. So thank you so much. You know yourselves, thank you so much. Be sure that I am buying her what she needs with that money, that's for sure. And yeah, that's that about that. So right now I'm heading out. I'm going to do my nails. I have a nail tech that reached out to me on Instagram. They want to freestyle on my nails. In their words, they want to freestyle on my nails. And who am I to say no to freestyling on my nails for free? I can't say no to that. So I'm going there now. And yeah guys, that is that about that. I'll talk to you guys when we get there, or I will see you guys when we get there. Okay.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight, but I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things.
Let's see you talk.
This guy, my poo man.
Shut up now. Eh?
I just work for here.
Let's see me down.
I dey rap now.
You dey rap?
Yep. Just work for here. Somebody come to play with me.
You see my head looking like a mad person, guys.
Revelation.
I can't remember the last time I did my low cuts, but I can't cut my hair right now because I'm going to start a big campaign with a hair extension company. So I need my hair. I need my hair for that campaign. That's why I cannot recut my hair right now. I can only retouch it. So once I'm about to start my campaign, I would want to retouch the hair so that it can, because it has grown a lot since I cut it the last time. This babe where they did, she fine.
Yep.
Let me show you guys what my husband is doing. They just good photography work. This your model fine.
You're fine.
And the picture is so dope.
Finance club.
La. What the hell? What the hell is that? She makes sense, so come on. Jesse Nku Photography. If you still do not know, my husband is one of Abuja's finest photographers. Okay? If you just don't know, or if you are new on this channel, now you know. Book your sessions, okay? It's gonna be like an Hollywood film. But these are cute models. You're embarrassing me, sir. You're disgracing.
Okay, translate. I want to shit.
So why do you have to use the word shit?
I want to poo-poo.
Come and be going, come and be going, come and be going. Oga, they go now.
How do you say it?
They go now, Oga.
I'm feeling shitty.
What? I'm feeling shitty.
Yeah.
So if you're outside with some people, for instance, and maybe you want to do number 2, you can't say I want to do number 2. What's I'm feeling shitty?
That's my revised version. Oh my god. For touching up, please.
I go hold you slap.
Respect
the beard.
respect the beard. Come and help me walk now. I have too much work.
How can I help you walk, sir? Do you know the kind of work I have to do inside that place, sir?
I have too much
Are you
work.
aware the kind of work waiting for me in that office, sir?
I have plenty deliverables, man.
You're the one that you have to work for us. Don't you know that when you hey babe, your hair here is thinning out too. Do you know? Hey Jesus, your hair here is thinning out.
Tuning out, tuning.
Very soon now there'll be no hair here again. Jesus. Very soon. Hey babe, no. Please, so because you see your hairline is very receding. Hey.
It's age advancement.
Age advancement. Baby, you cannot get old, oh, please. I don't want you to get old. I want you to remain like this, cute and handsome forever. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I would have shown you guys Mia Rose, but she's in school, so no Mia Rose in the house right now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Let me know in the comments section as always. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Mwah. Bye.
They've been rude to you, disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never